installing this piece of trash. Oh, this is really hard to turn. Sometimes it doesn't turn, she said. So we're just gonna replace it. Not a whole lot of room. At least those work. Nice. This thing is packed. Good Lord. I'm trying to figure out how they got all this on there. I mean, there's no space. That's not good. Man, that is really not good. I might just take this out, because this isn't even, I can move it.
But I feel like then when they were doing the construction downstairs, you know, it just like came apart again. And I was like, well, I don't know. Like I should probably stop like trying to Jimmy fix like all kinds of bullshit in my apartment.
Yeah, you should. Just call the manager and they'll. All right. This is actually a nice one. Some of their stuff is nice, like their toilets. This is a nice vanity. So instead of a 3-piece piece of trash, now I get to do this one. This one's actually not a piece of trash. Well, I mean, it is a piece of trash, but it has your regular style with the nuts and the shanks. That's what I like to see.
No.
I'll just center it under this for sure. Of course, I had to take this out and now we're good. Just need to spin this a little bit that way. We should have enough room. It's centered under this. It's kind of this isn't centered under this, so it's kind of cattywampus, but whatever. It is what it is. All right, not too shabby. We got a screw up in the back, just one, because I have a feeling they're going to I mean, this is so cheap right here, man. They might have to just get rid of all this eventually. It's nasty in here. But anyway, dude, installing faucets is probably can be one of the most time-consuming things if you don't know what to do in certain situations. So nice. Nice and short. Loves it. Excellent. But fortunately, I have adapters for this. And they are not cheap. And I'm going to have to use another flex hose. But hey, so I got a little stock in the truck. But if you don't know what you're doing when you're installing a faucet, you can't really mess it up, cause damage or anything like that. But it'll take you hours if you don't have what you need. I gotta admit, this faucet, quite nice. That other Delta, I installed a few episodes ago. That thing was a piece of trash. I'll do that later, but not too bad. The 30-inch just made, because originally there was a 30-inch here. I only had a 24. And it kind of just makes this space feel a little bigger, because that 30-inch was perfectly against these, and it just was crowded right here. And that's kind of ugly, but it's no biggie. All right, that's how you do it. Water's on. Tighten your packing nuts if you have them. Those do. Quarter turns are garbage. These are the best, the multi-turn, because you can take out the bonnet and replace them. Sometimes that's just easier. But okay, now let's tie in the drain. And I know we're gonna have issues, but I have a little. Nah, maybe I'll be able to get it in there. We'll see. Here's a cool little trick. You don't need those tubular cutters. All you gotta do is get it in there, twist it a few times, squish it down a little bit more. Go. Usually it's a lot smoother than that, but these are ABS cutters. Perfect. Perfecto. Nothing but quality over here. None but quality. All right, let's test the water. We need to take out the aerator first. And, oh, comes with this little tool. What's the little things about these faucets? So you have it on and you're like, okay. It doesn't even close. You have to consciously close it all the way. I just, you know, it's little things like that that are, see? I don't know, man. It's just, that's just, it's not good, man. You know? It's like, put a little thought into it. This thing was $119. All right. No leaky leaks.